Good morning, children. We'll be continuing the next. Show the following times in the clock. We have to show the following times in the clock, and which is a small hand and which is a big hand. See here, students. Here 3, 10. So 3 will be a small hand and 10 will be the big hand. 3 will be the small hand and 10 will be the big hand. So I'll be drawing. So here it is 3 is a small hand and 3 10. 10 is in what place? 2's place. So it is 3 2. Okay, this is 3 2. 3 2. That is 3 10. Next we'll go very deeper. 640. So now 6 is the small hand will be 6. Okay, I've written 6. 40. Wait. Okay, I'm drawn as a small hand as in 6. Let we have 40. 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So the big hand moves to 40. Just I'm drawing roughly, students. When you have to draw, you have to draw very neat. Okay. Next we have 445. So small hand in which place? 4. See here 12. 1 2 3 4. So the small hand will be the 4. Okay, and where is a big hand? Big hand should be in the 45. Means here 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45. The big hand should move to the 9, that is 45. Okay, next we move to 220. So small hand should be 2 and 20 should be 5 10 15 20. So it should be in the 4, like this. Next we move to next one 315. So 315. So small should be 3 and the big hand should be 15. So we have to draw a 5 10 15. Here once again with the 3. Both are in same place. Next 735. The small hand should be in the 7. Here 6 after 7. Okay. 35. So 5 10 15 20 25 30 35. So once again the both should be in the same. The both are in the same. Okay, and there is a question, students. So what that question? Let me. Do you like sky watching? If yes, this is one should interesting you. Yes, what is that interesting things? What the time does the sun rise at your place? So what's the time at the sunrise at the place? Always 5:30. 5:30. Okay, we should write 5 here. Draw at here 5:30. The small hand should be in the 5 and 6 hand should be in the 30. That is nothing but 6. Okay, when does the sun set? By 6:30. So 6:30 or 6 o'clock, depending upon the time. Let we'll write 6:30. Small hand should be in the 6 and once again the big hand should be also 6. Okay, then does the sun rises and sunsets at the same time every day? No, it is no. So it is depending upon the climate and the occasions, so it will never be same. Okay, next, look at this newspaper. Look at the newspaper and see the time of the sunrise and sunset in the different months. Let we see the newspaper how it is depends upon. So today's newspaper, whatever the newspaper you get it, that you see the sun rises and the sun sets in the different months. In the winter season, in the rainy season, or months means you have January, February, and March, April, like that. You should recognize which month that is. Okay, fine. Here, look at the photo and guess the time at this place. The photo is taken in the Paris, France. That is France. The Paris, the sun sets at PM after 9 p.m. at the night during summer. So the sun will be setting at 9 p.m. students. It is very interesting now. This photo was taken at the night, but in the winter season it becomes dark here by 4 p.m. in the evening. So in the evening they took the photos. That is, here always the sun will be setting at the 9 o'clock at the night. 9 o'clock at the night during the summer, where there were okay. Here the darkness is took the photo by evening. When their winter season, there'll be 4 o'clock. The time will be the 4 o'clock, and they took the pictures. So find out the see how the places are there. Okay, now find out how long it will take the minute hand to move from. So from here to here, how much the minute hands will take. See here, there is the first picture and the second picture. Three students here. First one it is 4, here also 4, so it is 5. Okay, it is a 7 here, and but here it is 10. So how much minutes? 5, 10, 15. So how much minute it is? 15 minutes. It is a 15 minutes. Here 15 minutes. Here from here to till 12 it take us 20 minutes. Now let we take here 6:05 to 6:15. It is 10 minutes. Here from 7:10 to 7:45. 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So how much minutes here? 35 minutes. I'm writing roughly, you should write very correctly. Okay, fine. So these are the times will be taken from there. How much is the difference will be there from one time to another time. So you have to find out which time it is, the what's the time difference between the one place to another place, and what's the time taken between one work to another work. This is the why we are taking means to find out how much is the difference between the two times, like how much time we require to write, how much time to require to work out, how much time required to see TV. That is the time difference we are saying. Okay, student, this will be yes finding out the difference from hand minute hands moves from the other, and you have similarly for hour and moves to minute hand. Next we'll be seeing the draw where the hands will be here. Okay, draw where the hand will be 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. So 20 minutes after 6 o'clock, first we'll be drawing a 6, and yes, 20 minutes means here 20 minutes means 5, 10, 20, 15, 20. So 4 you should go. Next 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. So first you draw 7 and 10 minutes. 5, 10. It is 10. Next 30 minutes after 8 o'clock. So 30 minutes. First you draw 8, then minutes, 8 o'clock it is 6, then 5 minutes, 15 minutes after 5 o'clock, write 5, and here 15. Okay, this will be your answer. How long does your school assembly take? So our school assembly means your 15 minutes. Our school assembly takes 15 minutes. How long is your lunch break? It is 30 minutes. It is 30 minutes. How long your game period? It is 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is the same as all your period. All is the same as all other periods. Yes. No, next we'll be continuing the next topic.